So, alright, so, hold on, let me set the phone down. So, I'm on vacation right now. Yeah, I'm on vacation right now. So, I don't have my usual setup. I'm stealing a phone stand right now, so sorry if the cinematography is a little bit buns, but yeah. Okay, so, I went to this local shop down here in North Carolina, and, I got Strange Tales Wolverine, which is great, because he's been on my list for a while. So, let me just open it up, Here's the box, in case you guys really care. I really like that art. Get to build a figure with Hellverine. It's actually my Discord profile, which is nice. But yeah, we got the Hellverine here. He's been looking snazzy. Alright, so let's get him out. He's got his claws really fast. Alright, let me get out him. We don't need this. Okay, let's look here. First, let's check out the claws. Where's the claw at? There it is. The claws look absolutely fabulous. Focus. Can we focus, please? Oh. I'm not using my usual camera stand, phone stand thing. Here, I'm gonna just get claw number 1. I love the flame effects here with the nice gradient. It looks so amazing. Yeah, this video is gonna be shorter because I'm on vacation. I just wanted to get this done because I love this figure, but I couldn't wait to get home to do it. There's the second one. I love the flame effects. And one thing to notice that they're rubbery. Well, my Ghost Rider figure has like a hard plastic flame head. Alright, let's go on Wolverine. He looks amazing. And I realize this now, even though I should have realized it earlier, how he's metal because adamantium. That works. I love how the flame effects sort of make his mask. I love how it's the yellow and brown suit, because I don't think the yellow and blue would have worked very well. That's just my personal opinion. It's comic book accurate, so he's a little bit on the shorter side. He's a short and stubby dude, but yeah, I think he looks nice. Face sculpt, let's get another look at that. That is wonderful. And one thing to note, let's focus. One thing to note is that it goes from yellow to orange to red on the sides of the head. He looks absolutely amazing. Alright, let's get on to articulation here. Head is on a ball joint, of course. You can look down really far. I love that. You can look up also really far, which I love. You don't get that much till you get a little bit, but not that much. Full rotation at the head, because like I said, it's on the ball joint. But it's just so fun to move. It reminds me of the double ball jointed heads on the Deadpool Wolverine figures. Specifically the brown suit and the damaged yellow and blue. You get exposed butterfly joint, but I think it's because it's an older mold. Same thing with the ab crunch, so. Alright, let's full shoulder rotation. Get about that much out, which I wish he had more, but oh well. It's got shirt sleeve tooling, bicep rotation, double jointed elbow with exposed pegs. I don't really like those, but okay. Pegged hands. Get a nice look at the hands. Oops. You can move them in, you can move them out, however way you want. You want to like that. Get a nice ab crunch. Go down about that far. You can look up a little bit less than I would want to, but You also get the head rotation up, so it doesn't really matter. Waist is a little bit awkward because the old one, and it goes full 360, but it's tight. The X belt, which I also don't like, is off-centered. I don't know if it's a design choice on the actual thing, but messing with me. The legs, they go really far up. I love that. They don't go back that far. Get the, what's it called? Thigh rotation. That's where it is. It's nice. One thing I don't like, though, which suffers on a lot of figures, is that there's the muscling detail, and then if you just off-center it, it really messes with you. But yeah. Double jointed knees, which almost go all the way back. I wish they went more. Pegs exposed, which, yeah, what are you gonna do? You get boot rotation. Boot rotation is nice. Looking at the feet, you get ankle tilt. You go up, they can pivot down. Good pivot down. So yeah, he's great for posing. I tried to recreate the pose on the box the best I could. Here, this one. See that now? Yeah. This one right there. I don't know if you can see that, but I thought that nice. I was messing with this. I love the flame details. One thing that I think they definitely couldn't have done, but because I was way above the pay grade. But I think what would have been cool is if they used the flames like a sheath. So underneath you have the regular claws, but then you have the actual flame effects. I think that would have been cool. But that's just me personally. He is a pretty good figure. One thing I noticed while posing is that I wonder if I can move the belt, because I moved it off the waist joint. Here, let's see if I can do it again. I was posing, and then I moved the belt down like that, so I wonder if I can center it back up again. Oh, I just did. Yep. Well, there goes my problems. Another thing to note is that he's more of a soft, more goldish yellow, and it kind of bugs me. I don't know how you can see it, but this is a different color from this, and this is a different color from those. So they did not do really good on the color matching. The browns looks the same to me. Maybe the crotches, maybe his undies are a little bit a darker shade than this, but yeah. It depends on what you're looking for, personally. I wouldn't say this like a must-have. I personally like it best because I'm a huge Ghost Rider and Wolverine fan. I read both of their comics. But you don't really absolutely need to buy this guy, especially since he's $45 on Amazon. I got him for less, of course. But he's a really good figure. The posing's amazing. For an older figure, I have no idea how old this figure is. But I know it's not recent. Look at the box, see if it tells me. You gotta tell me. I'm looking at the facts here. Each sold separately, includes figures, 2 pieces, small parts. 2024. So this is a 2 years old figure. This 2-year-old figure for when I'm recording this. It for its time, it's great. I mean, the sculpts are beautiful. You can look at the, I don't know how we can see the head here. Head. Let's focus. Focus. There's some nice detail right there. You get the nice metallic jaw, which, like I said, I really do like. I just dropped him. Yeah, don't get me wrong, he's a great figure, but he's not a super must-have. But if you're just like, if you got, like I said, 30-something bucks lying around and you just want a good figure to mess around with or pose, this is a good one. It's not a well-known it's not a well-known character, the Hellverine. It's from an off comic, and I think this is the Logan one, but I think there's a Dakin version. I think that's how you say his name, Dakin, whatever Wolverine's son name is. But yeah, it's a beautiful sculpt. I would recommend it, definitely. overall, that's my look at Marvel Legends, Build-A-Figure Blackheart, Strange Tales, Weapon of Vengeance, Hellverine. See you guys next time later.